The goal of homeless prevention is to keep people in housing by providing resources and services to maintain housing stability. It is more cost-effective and much less traumatic to keep people in their homes rather than wait and support them after they become homeless. Our goal is to assist people before housing is lost. There are individual and systemic issues that lead to homelessness. Typical reasons why people lose housing are income loss, medical crisis, childcare, and unexpected expenses that make it difficult to pay rent. Systemic issues that make households vulnerable to homelessness include lack of affordable housing, high rents, and increasing costs of living. There are several programs available to support people at risk of homelessness. Funds are limited, eligibility restrictions apply, and resources available will depend on funding. Generally, homeless prevention programs can help with past due rent to prevent eviction, utility bill assistance, case management and navigation services, referrals to other resources and services, and if moving is required, rent assistance and deposits may be available. If you live in Dakota County and need assistance to prevent becoming homeless, contact the following programs. Emergency assistance for help with past due rent and utilities. Apply online for emergency assistance on the MN Benefits webpage at mnbenefits.mn.gov. Family Homeless Prevention and Assistance Program, or FHPAP, through one of the contracted agencies, CAP Agency, 360 Communities, or the YMCA. Additionally, you can request short-term assistance from community resources like Hastings Family Services and 360 Communities. These resources are based on geographic service areas and have limited funding. Resources and programs for homeless prevention are ever-changing. New funding and programs may provide additional prevention resources, and Dakota County works closely with the community agencies to share resources with the public. Contact the Dakota County Housing Resource Line at 651-554-5751 or visit the Dakota County Housing webpage at co.dakota.mn.us, keyword housing services for up-to-date information and services. If you need help navigating through the homeless prevention process, please contact the Dakota County Housing Resource Line at 651-554-5751.
360 Communities delivers safety and stability that improves lives by providing help in the moment to individuals with whatever their crisis or their need is, as well as hope for the future through our ongoing case management services. We do that by supporting victims of domestic and sexual violence, families who need support around school success and financial stability, and then through our food shelves and our resource centers with food and financial assistance. We are seeing more than ever the need for rental assistance and utility assistance from families. We also see increased needs related to people being able to afford their ongoing rent and becoming homeless, being evicted, but then not being able to find affordable housing moving forward that meets their budget. And lastly, I would say we are seeing more and more households who are homeless that are accessing our food shelves, that are either living in their cars, are living outside, or who are living in hotels. Once people become homeless, their barriers to finding stable housing ongoing becomes much more significant. Once you have an eviction on your record, it is very challenging to find a landlord who will accept your application for a new rental. And so the more we can prevent evictions from happening, the more we can prevent homelessness. People can call our main phone number at 952-985-5300, explain to us what their need is, and get directed to whatever supports or services we offer. If we don't offer those services, we'll do our best to help connect people to the organization that does. Homelessness doesn't always look like homelessness does in other places across the country. And so just continuing to be aware that this is a need in Dakota County, I think is really, really important. Financial donations, gift card donations to 360 Communities or to other organizations like 360 Communities is really, really helpful in order to provide flexible funding sources that allow us to be able to help people with their unique needs. Gas and grocery gift cards tend to be the biggest needs that we see.